Hi ladies and gentlemen, hello friends. We have come about with our videos recently. You have watched our previous videos, thanks for that. If you like our channel, subscribe and like it, and do share it and give us your opinion about what points you all want to hear from us. And if you want to post some news in our WhatsApp number, you can do it. So today we are coming up with an extensive video on the Manipur issue. We had planned it before also. But the atrocities which were going on for 77 days didn't compel us, was not the fact. The fact was the video came out and how the suomoto cognizance of the Supreme Court has been done in the matter. Let us have a extensive discussion on the matter. Let us go back to the scenario where why did this atrocities did take place in Manipur. Manipur is actually having this problem for much long. It is for 40 years or so, more than that, right after independence, because of the British rule over there. And in Manipur, the population of there are three communities: Meitei, Kuki, and the Nagas. The Meitei are the Hindus, which are in population, they are the greatest. But they have been subjugated to have a land holding of only 10% of Manipur. They can't go to the hills and they are debarred from there. Similarly, the Kukis, which are there, their population is 10%. They have the rights to stay in 90% of the place over there. The Nagas are also there. There have been insurgency problems from Myanmar because of Chinese provocation. And this problem were going on. Clashes was very common. Sporadic clashes were also very common throughout the years in Manipur. Okay, now if we come back for these last atrocities which has come in Manipur, this has been triggered by an order of the Manipur High Court. Now this is a problem. People or the judges from different parts of the country, they are sent to Manipur or these states which are very highly volatile, and they can trigger clashes very easily. So a judge over there, out of a petition, he has ordered that the Meitei community can be given the ST category, and the order should be implemented within 1 month. This triggered the clashes because the Kukis felt that their rights are going to be obliterated or taken away, and the Meiteis will be, who are already in the majority portion, will be gaining a much more portion. So that's why the clashes started, and the Home Minister visited time and again. He had ordered to give back the arms, etc. But the things have not died down. Till date, we were hearing clashes, burning issues, fire and others going on, till this video came out a day before. The video is of 14th May. Now, there is a stark reaction that has come out just before the monsoon session of the parliament. That's one. Number two, the Supreme Court has taken suomoto cognizance of the matter and has ordered the central government to take action, otherwise they will. Very good. We support that. But it's also a selective outrage. The matter is very grave and it is condemnable. We also condemn it to the core of our heart. Whatever is done to these two women, I'm not speaking again, it cannot be seen. The video cannot be seen. This is N. Biren Singh, the Chief Minister of Manipur, should take responsibility, and he should be stepping down. He had already resigned before, but he was told to continue. But he has totally messed up the situation over here. Any other person would have handled the situation much better. But my point is, just a day before, a similar incident took place in Jodhpur in Rajasthan, where 4 of the people of the same family were killed due to a rape, and it was also from a Dalit family. One day back, same thing happened in Chhattisgarh and also in Jharkhand. The Supreme Court has been selective in taking the suomoto cognizance in the matter. Now the fact is, Manipur has been taken up. Okay, the video is over there. Knowing the inherent clashes, stop. So the Supreme Court, after taking suomoto cognizance, has given center the order to carry out actions. They've done it. I think after messing up the situation, people have been arrested. So the thing has gone out of their hands. So this has been messed up. But what our point of concern is, Manipur is a volatile state. It's a point of concern. So the judges of the Manipur High Court should have also been very much restrictive in their orders, so that this sporadic clashes couldn't have started. The order triggered the whole move. That's number one point. Number two is poppy cultivation and this what we call the Burmese drug lords also play a vital role in Manipur. We know that the insurgents from Myanmar come due to Chinese provocations. They get arms from China, and these cookies use these arms for their betterment against these Meiteis, and they have killed a whole lot of them, 140 of them or more. So that has also not been highlighted. These Nagas and cookies have, and these Meiteis have killed each other for long, and a holistic approach should be taken by the central government to crush it. Use all your force, not only what we call rapid action force or army or whatever it is, but you should have your brains and administration over there. You should change the people in the administration to give maximum benefit to the people over there, relief to the people over there. We have held our heads in shame due to what have been done to these two women. That's absolutely clear. There is no dilemma in condemning the whole issue. Yeah. This cannot be seen. Again, I'm repeating and reiterating. And people should refrain from all these activities, especially men. I mean, what are you calling yourself to be men itself? If you are a man, you should protect women instead of doing all these nefarious activities. I mean, that doesn't even show that you are human. You're human by your skin and your blood. That doesn't mean you are human. Your actions should prove. I mean, in every state, whoever does it, and whichever political party comes to defend it, they are defending the indefendable. And whatever the political slugfest is going on, that's also another thing. The Congress, the habitual offender in other issues, their states, in their states when things happen, like in Rajasthan, they are not condemning it. So I'm asking Supriya Srinate, whenever you are talking about the Prime Minister, you talk all the rot, but whenever things happen in your state, being a woman, you never protest. What about Rajasthan, my friend? Where were you? And another thing is, in the parliament session, parliament is a place where we are discussing important bills, and it's a day wasted over there. It means crores of rupees wasted. So on a section on which the debate will go on, the central government is ready to debate the Manipur issue, but you are only harping on the point because you want ruckus in the parliament. You don't want solution, so that the taxpayers' money get wasted. Again, we are reiterating. If you are serious, debate the issue, put the central government in a position to act, and that's the job of the opposition. The opposition is there. If the opposition is strong, then the government will be compelled to act. When your governments are not acting in your particular state, in Rajasthan, rape and these things are going on repeatedly, and you are not acting there, what is Ashok Gehlot doing in his state? If we ask questions, we are bad. We are anti-Congress. We are not Congress, we are not BJP, etc. We are pro-people. So that's why we are asking certain questions. The problem in Manipur was there since independence. But how will you redress a problem? The approach to the problem is the main issue. For some people, the whole nation is getting defamed in the whole world. And these things can go on in Sudan and other places, Somalia, whatever it is, but not in a democratic country like India. If a woman, and above all, the preachers of democracy like Mamata Banerjee and others, a similar incident is being, the opposition is telling in Bengal, similar two incidents have happened in Bengal itself. So where is Miss Mamata Banerjee? What about your own state? Whenever it comes to your own state, you are numb about it. Act. You have not acted against this 56 deaths in 37 days in the Panchayat election. So what will you act on others? You have not acted on deaths. What on this poor woman? The same thing happened to a BJP supporter 2 years back when she was paraded. I don't know what the actual condition was. It was reported in the media before. This time the opposition is crying foul that they have done it this time only. The problem is the video is not there. So the only thing is our head our nose of India gets down, and it's been shown in the whole world what things are happening in Bengal, in the country itself and all over the place. For sporadic incidents, for some people, the whole nation suffers. 140 crore people is defamed. So that's not going to be tolerated. And the whole world is condemning the issue, but please do take actual proper steps to actually redress the problem, to nail it in the bud. Don't keep problems boiling, pot boiling. I say political pot boiling always. This is a habit of politicians. Another thing is, this thing is not a thing to be, another thing is for the media, please stay or refrain yourself from producing the photos of these two women, whatever, blurred or whatever it is, refrain from that video. Twitter has been also requested by the government to refrain from that particular act, because propagating such an act will only enhance the same problem. Yeah, definitely we are condemning it, and again, it's a thing to be condemned. So central government, it's a sine qua non that you act on these issues. And what about your chief minister? He should be accountable for this issue. You set him a time-bound redressal of the grievance should be done. Till now, this is there. We are signing off for today. Thanks.